Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand.
This model is the Wybot S2 Solar.
Wybot is an amazing company with pool cleaners. Look at my beautifully clean pool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it comes with a solar charged dock.
This is the world's first underwater solar-powered robotic pool cleaner. With the way it's designed, it ensures continuous operation without electricity costs or battery worries.
Here I have today my recipe of disaster. And today it's made up of sand and pebbles like your kids may bring in from the beach or the yard. Now I'm sifting that because we're going to see how heavy those pebbles are. That's heavy. Now I'm also going to add in some aquarium just because they're so pretty. These are the heavy pebbles that you would have in an aquarium for tropical fish. And here goes the pebbles on top that are so heavy. What a mess it's going to make on the bottom of the pool. This is really a heavy mess. And here is a recipe. It's a tea party coming in. It's a tea made of leaves and flowers and everything that the wind can blow into your pool. Okay, let's make this mess. Whee! Oh, and some more. Down, down, down it goes. It's like a nuclear disaster, a bomb going off, all hitting the bottom of the pool, but yet that sand is going to dissipate and make the water cloudy. Look at the shiny pebbles of the aquarium. I'm glad I put those in today. Those were super heavy. But wait, there's more. We have the Boston Tea Party coming with all those tea leaves. And that represents what nature brings to your pool. Sometimes they float and sometimes they sink. But you really don't want to look at the view of your pool with all that mess on top. One little wind can mess up the beautiful pool from inside your house, so your view's distorted by the winds of nature. It's time to clean the pool.
Because of the app, you can easily automate your cleanings for an entire week with customizable times and cleaning modes for each day you schedule it. The Wybot S2 Solar will automatically start at your preset schedule for hands-free and efficient operation. Off to work it goes, out of the dock it comes, to go after the dirt. We want it to clean that mess. The Wybot S2 Solar has a powerful brushless motor, which makes it extra durable. I'm going to explain to you about the suction. The Wybot's average suction rate is 3,962 gallons per hour. Robotic pool cleaners are measured in gallons per minute of what flow rate they are circulating within itself to pick up the debris and the fine particulates that are in the water. The Wybot S2 Solar has a fabulous suction rate. This cordless pool cleaner does an amazing job of picking up those heavy rocks at the bottom of the pool. Look at this. It's amazing how quickly and easily it picks up the heaviest of debris and messes at the bottom of a pool. I'm giving it a workout right now. This is really quite amazing. With every pass, it's picking up everything in its path, even at the curved edge of the pool. Do you see that? It's amazing how it'll go up the curve of the pool, come on back down, and continue after the mess. All of that is being sucked up into its amazing filter inside of it. Nothing is escaping it. It has a high-grade 180 micron filter that's roughly equivalent to an 80 mesh size. And that filter is so fine, not only does it get all those coarse pieces of all the pebbles I threw down there, but it's also allowing fine particles to be swept in and contained within that filter. So it's going to trap the large debris, the sand, the sediment, and also finer things like algae and pollen that can cloud the water in your pool, because the bigger particles go through the first filter of the 180 microns, and then the smaller particles are picked up with the 40 ppi pores per inch sponge. That is a high-density reticulated foam that is another layer. That's why the algae and pollens and particulate matter can't escape the Wybot S2 Solar Robotic Pool Cleaner. The inside filter acts as a fine polishing sponge to trap the minute particles in your pool's water. The Wybot S2 Solar is also quick on its feet. The moving speed is 33 feet per minute. You're seeing this in real time now as I'm showing you maneuver throughout the pool. That's efficiency. It'll clean your pool fast, but it has a working cycle up to 150 minutes in case you need over a couple hours to clean your pool. With all the different features on that app, you can give it extra cleaning with 2 hours and 30 minutes of cleaning time. The ideal pool size is up to 3,229 square feet. It works on cement pool surfaces, vinyl liners, mosaics, and for all pool shapes. Check it going up these stairs. It climbs them with ease, cleaning as it goes. That's pretty amazing. These pool steps are narrow, but never mind. The Wybot S2 Solar is made for challenging conditions in shapes and designs of pools. It can work to a depth of 9.8 feet, and let's watch it climb a wall and start scrubbing the water line. It has a front high-speed scrubber. The scrubber is high quality plastic rubber. It's made to scrub. Now watch it get these flower petals off. It's going up to eat them. And that's right on the water line. That's pretty marvelous. When wind throws leaves and debris at your water line, the Wybot S2 Solar can even get those. This was quite amazing during my demonstration and testing of this today. You no longer have to worry about suntan oil lines, evaporation lines, like bathtub rings on the side of your pool, and not even windblown vegetation that sticks to the water line. And I loved on the app, you can even select the pattern of the cleaning. Look at all these designs to choose from. Now let me show you how that looks in my pool as I chose one of them. We can see it in fast motion, creating that pattern. You can get creative with that app. I chose the in pattern for this demonstration today. It's just great to watch it clean. The floors of my pool, perfectly clean after that big mess. Look how clean the walls are. And the water line. Floor walls and water line are a piece of cake for the Wybot S2 Solar. And when it's done, it goes and self-parks with a magnetic charging automatic back-to-dock recharging. And it'll know to do that when the battery level drops below 20%. You don't have to go fetch it. It will return to its dock automatically for self-charging. There's no intervention by you needed. And it'll take 3 hours to charge it. The voltage of the battery is 25.9 volts and it has a battery capacity of 5,200 milliamp hours. That's a long-lasting battery. Now just look how beautiful the pool is after cleaning. It's magnificent, fast-working. My pool looks magnificent. It's crystal clean, so inviting. The Wybot S2 Solar worked fast to clean that filthy pool, all automatically. After a good workout, it's a good idea to clean the filter. Let me show you how we do that. You just lift up the front panel on the Wybot S2 Solar. There's a handle on the filter to just pull it out. And here we have the filter. I'm showing you all sides of it. There's stuff in there. Click open the bottom tab to see and dump out all that you collected from your pool. That was all the pebbles, all the flowers and the leaves. Then give it a big squirt with a hose. I'm just using my garden hose to clean it up so it's ready for another big task. Snap back on the top. As long as the hose is out, might as well squirt inside the machine of the Wybot S2 Solar. It has an IP grade of P68. What that means is it's completely waterproof. Of course, it's living in your pool. So water on the inside's not going to hurt it either after you take the filter out. Back goes in the filter, and the top will snap right back on with a click. When you order your Wybot S2 Solar, it comes right to your door. When you receive it, it comes in 2 boxes. The bottom one is a robot pool cleaner with its home base, and the top box contains the solar panel. So I'm going to bring it into my house. So I put it on my kitchen floor, and even my kitty cat Mau Mau was curious about it. I think she was just as excited as I was that it had arrived. She checked out the boxes, and I want you to check them out too. Here's a close-up of the front of the box of the robot pool cleaner, and here's a close-up of the front of the box of the solar panel. Here are shots of all sides of those boxes so you get an idea of how it comes packaged. This would make a great gift for your friend with a swimming pool. The boxes are beautifully designed. I opened the box from the top, and this is how it comes packaged. This is a solar kit. I opened it layer by layer. They did a great job with their package engineering, so nothing gets damaged during shipping. Here is the Wybot S2 Solar Pool Cleaner and Base. I'm opening that box layer by layer. And again, a great job packaging it there, so nothing's damaged. All the way down to the bottom of the box. And we see that. I laid the larger pieces out on the floor to show you they come wrapped in plastic, so nothing's even getting scratched during the shipping. I took the plastic off, and here are the larger pieces of it. How beautiful to see the pool cleaner on the left, the charging base on the right, and the solar panel behind it. A beautiful design by Wybot. Here are some close-ups of those pieces. You can see the high-quality materials used in each of them. I put all the accessories on the counter. They too came wrapped. I unwrapped them and I laid them out so we can have a good clear view of the accessories as well. On the left, we have the cords that will connect it. We have the quick start guide, the foam pieces. I'll show you what to do with those within this video. We have the hook to retrieve it from the pool and more connection cords. Here's a close-up of the docking station from the front. And here is the solar kit. We have the solar panel right there at the angle to face the sun. Here's a side angle so you see how the stand works, and the back angle, another side. Here is the robot cleaner itself. Here's the front of it, and here are all sides of it, beautifully designed. Here's a close-up of the Caterpillar tractor wheels that are going to move it around your pool with their logo, the Wybot by the company Wybotics. Here's the front of it, and we see those treads, the high durable quality rubber that's going to navigate around your pool underwater without slippage. Here's the front of it, and it has the dual brushes that will scrub the water lines right there in the front of the pool cleaner. Let's get some details on those scrubbers. We see close up the front of these scrubbers. They are durable, they will not wear down. Now, the top of the pool cleaner is a special knob. This is for the charging port, and it shows it has a watertight seal for when it's not charging, when it's cordless, running around in your pool cleaning and doing its job. Now, underneath, the top rectangle is where the suction comes in. That's that powerful suction with a rate of 3,962 gallons per hour. It will feed that water right to the machine to filter the water right there. And in this box comes connecting cords. These cords are the transformer for the electrical power, and on the right is a 2-prong plug that will be attached to your electrical outlet at your wall. And here are the user manual right in the center, the hook on the left. We have floating blocks and foam pads, and the QR code for downloading the app. Here's the electrical cord for the solar charger. Let me show you the quick start guide. I want to show you how detailed it is, how easy it is to understand the way it's written and the way it's illustrated. There's only 6 steps and you'll be in business. Here's a close-up of the user manual. I'm going to flip through that quickly so you can see. Again, really easy to understand, well written and well illustrated. More detailed instructions so you understand how it works if you wish. Within my review, I found this to be great information to understand it in depth. Now, I'm going to charge up my Wybot before I even get it near the pool. Why not? I'm just taking it out of the box. It's a good time to charge it. So you plug in the transformer with the electrical cord for that. Now I unscrew the top knob, which has a watertight screw, and then I plug the charger into that, straight into my wall outlet. You could have done this by the pool, but this was easier for me. I'm just showing you this method. With the green dots in the front, you can see the charging status. It came to me almost fully charged.
This is the whole system of my Wybot B1. I put it right by my pool. It plugs into any normal USA household outlet with a 2-prong plug. Now, before you use your solar charger, you got to make sure that's plugged in. I put it out in full sun. I plug it into the wall right by the pool, and so it can capture all that sun, but it is going to pre-charge. And once it's charged up, you're going to take out the plug because you don't need that anymore. And with this cap, we're going to put the cap in underneath. Can you see that? It goes right there. And that makes it watertight. And this is going to go bye-bye. Put it in the water. And now it's going to capture the sun. What an advancement with this Wybot B1 with pool clean technology to have it solar powered at the dock station. Time to put my Wybot on its dock. This Wybot B1 pool cleaner is lightweight, so I can move it all around with no problem. But it's also really powerful in this small little body. And with the app, you can tell it what to do. I said, go to the wall, and it hooked up to the wall, just like that.
I downloaded the app with the QR code. It downloads like any normal app. It's quick to connect, and you go right to the Wybot site, and here are some features of the app, page by page. I've shown you some of these within the video. It's fully customizable. It's an impressive and easy-to-use app. The Wybot S2 Solar is a top of innovation in the year 2026 with its self-parking, magnetic charging, automatic back-to-dock recharging pool cleaner. The world's first underwater solar-powered robotic pool cleaner. Look at my gorgeous pool. It's crystal clean, inviting for anybody to take a dip in.
I am just thrilled with my Wybot pool cleaner. It makes me want to kick my heels off and play in the pool. Click the link below
To get your Wybot S2 solar-powered robotic pool cleaner.
It's amazing, so maintenance-free. Look how beautiful my pool is. Kids, it's time for the pool party. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making recipes in life. And it's really for a recipe to have fun for you and your friends and the whole neighborhood with your clean pool because of your Wybot V1. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some of my best summer recipes for you to make for your pool party. Just click.